Hello guys, and now it's time to implement this channel style concurrent programming with Python. So just let's start by creating this channel type and also this coroutine type in Python. So I'm going to create a new Python file called channels, and it should have of course that we are going to import this async.Io, and we are going to create this class chan, and it will have the constructor with buffer size 0, and we will explore the bufferized channels as well, but just for simplicity we need to have this thing here. And I'm going to create like self channel with asyncio.Queue, and max size here will be the buffer. What happened here? So what we have to do is we need to put something to the channel, and we need to get out from this channel. So we need to define this async function put, and we need to pass value, what value we need to put here, and await this self channel put with this value. Another thing that we need to get value from the channel. That's why we are going to return and then await the self channel get here. One thing to note that if we have the empty channel or empty queue for us here, that means that we need to return none. So if self channel empty, it will return true if it's empty. Then we are going to return none. So nothing left actually in the channel. So there's nothing in the channel. And in order to implement the asynchronous iteration through the channels, so if you remember, we need the same thing here. So for making the channel type, we are going to write the channel class and create object from this. For making a process as coroutine, we are going to implement another class. But for ranging through the channels, we need to implement following methods. So first of all, this aiter, and it should return the self. Then we need to have a synchronous next method and value of this that we are going to await from self get, which is this method. And if val is none, if value is none, which indicates that we are returning none explicitly here, we are going to raise stop async iteration, not stop iteration, but stop async iteration, because this is asynchronous. If we are going to use it inside the asynchronous for loop, and until that a queue or channel is not empty, we are going to return this value here. That's it for channel type. Actually, it should work. Another remaining is that we need to create this coroutine class with only this static method like go, and pass. It will accept coroutine, and we are just going to create task from this past coroutine. Let's use it inside the main function. So what change we need here? Like we need to remove all the things. Another thing we need to do here, we don't need this item anymore, and I'm just give a placeholder here. Then we are going to put something to the channel. So of course we need to accept this channel first. Yeah, and then C to put the past item, and of course we need to print this put the item, and then slip here. So this is a for the process. This is similar to this thing. So we are going to print and then go to we send here the item to the channel. We did the same thing with the Python as well. So where is here? Right. So we put to the channel, then print, and then slip. The same approach with the Golang. So we need to import our channel from channels, import chan and coroutine. Easy. So C is chan and calls this go with the process and pass the order and created channel object to the go. So this is a similar thing with here. So we created the channel type, we pass the process to the coroutine. So coroutine go process, and again we need to slip here. Oops, wait. Async.Io sleep, and then we need to synchronously for over the of the channel, and then print processed item, and then again sleep here. So what we did, as you expect, so we have the range here, for loop here going through the channel. Same here, we have a for loop going through the channel where we put some items, and then we just print this, and then the sleeping, awaiting the async.io sleep in order to get back to put another item, then just get to the main function and read another item from the queue or from the channel. And let's run it. We will see if it works. So puts order, process order, puts order, process order, and it should be the 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's exactly what we see with our Go code. So put the orders and process the order, and the same approach here that we put the orders and process the order. So what we did so far, we implement our very own channel, I would say, with using this async.Io.Queue. We implement the asynchronously going through this channel, and also it's just wrapper to create a task with Go name. This is for for fun, like make it more similar to the Go code. I think we are done. So because we have the same output and the same features with Golang and also with the Python. So we'll continue our concurrent programming techniques with using channels, and again we are going to do the same thing with Golang and then implement the same thing with the Python. So that's it for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.